The interior fuse box in the Nissan Sentra is located on the left of the steering wheel underneath this plastic cover, so you have to use prying tool like this to remove it, and inside you guys will see the fuse box. And this is a diagram of the fuse box on the inside of this cover. It may be hard to see. I will try to leave you a link in the description for this interior fuse box. And if you need to replace any of the fuses, you can use this yellow fuse puller to grab your fuses and pull them out. When you're done, just close this cover, bottom goes in first, and then you push it back in.